Hello everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to log out on all devices on Facebook. Maybe if you suspect that someone has hacked into your Facebook account and they want to log out from all devices, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. First of all, you open your Facebook app, go to your profile and navigate to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Now click on Account Center. Scroll down and click on Password and Security. You're going to see the sections that said Security Checks. Click on where you are logged in and click on your Facebook profile. You're going to see all the devices that you have logged in for the past 6 months or so. As you can see right here, the device I have logged in, both my Windows PC and my other phones. So if you want to log out on all devices, what you have to do is to click on Selected Devices to log out and click on Select All. Click on Logout. It will show you this option. You will no longer be logged in on selected devices. Click on Logout. And Facebook will log out on all devices for you, but leave the current one you're using. So that's how you log out on all devices on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.